హాయ్ హలో వెల్కమ్ టు మైరా టాకీస్. నేను మీ సుజిత్. సో ఎప్పటిలాగే మీ ముందుకు ఓ సెలబ్రిటీని తీసుకొస్తుంటాం కదా. సో అలాగే ఇవాళ తీసుకొచ్చేసాను. షీ ఈజ్ నన్ అదర్ దెన్, నేను చెప్పడం ఎందుకు మీరే చూసేయండి. హాయ్ మన్నారా.
Hi everybody.
సో హౌ యూ?
I'm all good.
యు ఆర్ మై డార్లింగో లింగో లింగో లింగ్ what a feelingo లింగో లింగ్. So at the time, Jackana time, I will take one selfie with you at that time.
Yes,
Yeah,
I do
movie
remember.
promotions.
We just shared it before
yes,
we
yes.
just started it.
Yeah, and thank you so much for remembering me. And so firstly, I'm very super excited and I'm really very happy to see you here again.
Thank you so much.
Basically, where you born and brought up?
So basically, I'm born and brought up at like two different places. So born at Ambala, Kent, which is my nanny's home because my nana was in army. So his last posting was Ambala. So Ambala, Kent, Army Hospital, because the full family is from army and everything. And brought up in Delhi because I'm a Delhiite. My father is a lawyer by profession. So yeah.
So still you are learning Telugu or else కొంచెం తెలుగు బాగా వచ్చేసిందా?
తెలుగు కొంచెం మాట్లాడడానికి దానికి like 3 films. So కొంచెం words pick and I just use it at the right places. That's it. Smart way of doing it.
Still you are learning.
Still learning, yeah, I would say. But then when I get dialogues and all, I talk like a pro. But then people know it that she understands like 90%. But when it comes to speaking, I think a little bit I'm also hesitant that whether if I'll speak there, I should not look funny. So it's like that.
So and what about your parents?
My mom and dad both are Punjabis, and we are like completely. I'm a Delhiite. I've been like brought up there. So yeah, and dad is a lawyer by profession. My mom is into the business of diamonds and everything. So yeah, a small nuclear family.
So nice. So and your education, studies?
Well, I'm a double graduate. I've done my studies in fashion design along with bachelor's in business administration because I wanted to study fashion, but my dad, because he's a lawyer and like his forefathers and everyone are like in too much of studies and everything, so he doesn't consider fashion design to be like a proper education. So he was like, at least you need to be a graduate. So for him, I did my bachelor's in business administration, which kind of helps me in the real world, so it's kind of good.
And you have siblings, right?
Yeah.
And she's done other than Priyanka Chopra.
Yes.
Yes. So how is she?
She's my mom's brother's daughter. And my real sibling, her name is Mitali, and yeah, I mean she's doing great. She's having a lot of fun in her life, and life is about to change as about she's like engaged. So I wish her all the best.
So and then మీ రిలేషన్ ఎలా ఉంటుంది?
Relation is good in between like any other cousins, and we have a lot of love, sometimes a lot of fight. So everything goes in hand, but I think that is how a relationship should be organically good. It can't be just like one way. So it's like, but yeah, it's like she's a sweet person and I look up to her in life.
So in which topic you are అంటే ఎప్పుడు కొట్టుకుంటూ ఉంటారు కదా అంటే fights?
Nothing like that. I can't fight with her because she's like elder to me, so in front of her I have to give not even front, anyhow I have a lot of respect for her. So I'm generally quiet only, and in my family I'm like the quiet child, so I don't speak much. I'm like, I listen and I absorb, and whatever they say, it's for the good only. So it's like that.
Oh, so nice. So and then coming to your studies,
Yeah.
I mean secondary education, before that, so ఎలా ఉంటుంది లైఫ్ అప్పుడు? సో స్మాల్ కిడ్స్.
That was very different when I was like a small child. I think that was the best life, I would say, because in school I remember I was majorly interested, more than studies, I was interested in extracurricular activities. ఇప్పుడు skating, basketball, going for painting classes, going for music classes, and participating in inter-school competitions and everything. So my life has always been like that. So when today I connect to my school friends, they were like, you were different only in school, huh? You were never like interactive in the group or something. I was like, yeah, I was always in my own zone, going for my painting class, and then okay, I'll go for after that There used to be a lot of Western music inter-school competitions, and I'll be the first one to put my name. Oh, I want to go, and even school will send. So school life was very different. So and I had this thing to like I would hardly talk to boys then. I don't know why. And today they say, had we known that that girl would become like an actress, we'll be the first one to go and approach to her. So, but yeah, I was a very quiet child. I'm still a very quiet person. Just work to work and go back. But I'm just trying to change a little bit.
Just little bit.
Yes, just little bit. Be a little more socially active in terms of like speaking to people and everything.
Yeah. So, and do you have any nicknames in your childhood days?
A lot of nicknames. Like my mom used to call me Barwan
Barman. Wow.
because my nickname is Barbie.
Barbie.
Yes.
Barbie girl.
Barbie girl, right?
Obviously.
So yeah, I mean a lot of nicknames.
So, and what your friends call you?
They used to call me by my name only. I mean, yeah, they
And
was.
Priyanka Chopra?
She used to call me Barbs. Barbs somehow, and yeah, that's about it.
So, childhood days lo, I think there is lot of proposals coming, right?
Oh God, I think a lot of proposals must be coming, but then I told you I was a very different child in terms of like always into my own zone of like doing creative arts. I must have not given attention to it until unless I entered college, and because in Delhi we have school uniforms till 12th. So until unless that went off and the western and the normal clothes came, and then I realized, oh, there's so many guys and they are like flattered and everything. So college was that journey where I realized that there are too many proposals happening, but in school I never realized, to be very honest.
Those proposals, right?
I never rejected, I never accepted. With boys, it's because and today the life has changed so much that I have more boys as friends than girls. So it's like most of them are now like best friends. So I don't like to say no, because I'm sure even for a guy it takes a lot of effort to think, and because they'll also have their own what do they say, mind में तो कुछ set हो जाता है, okay, then we want to go and propose. I don't want to break their heart. So no yes, no, and just like I leave it on a good, nice zone.
And what was your first film you saw in the theater in childhood days?
I saw in theater.
First film.
I think कुछ कुछ होता है. Of course, it has to be कुछ कुछ होता है. I remember going with my family almost like 7 times to yeah.
Wow, that's great.
I think that time we used to have like more like single plexes. There was no concept of multiplexes. There was not much except PVR. So yeah, going and watching it almost like for like 7 times is like, and that those Gap t-shirts, if you remember, from hoodies and everything. So Gap used to be like that cool thing that if someone, because Gap was not there in India, I think at that point of time. So someone is traveling from abroad, just ask them, oh, can you get me some Gap hoodies and everything. So yeah, that was my zone in life.
So I think you are tomboy's character, full tomboyish, right?
Oh God, you guessed it so right.
Yes, I know. But మీరు చెప్తుంటే నాకు అర్థమైపోతుంది యువర్ tomboyish character అని.
Yeah, totally a tomboyish character.
From a childhood onwards till now.
Yeah, I think even till now, like I feel, yeah, I'm very comfortable even today. If you tell me like wear sports shoes, track pants, it's like my kind of thing, and I carry it in a better way than I carry myself in westerns, but then in heels. But then my profession is such that I have to balance it out nicely, so I try to do it gracefully. But then within my heart, I'm totally like a tomboy.
So sweet.
I hope to.
Okay. And is there any most memorable moment in childhood days? Most memorable and or else funniest moment?
Well, childhood, like too many memories, but my most memorable will be when I in Telugu signed Puri sir's films. That will be, for now it will be that, but for childhood it will be too many. I think my mom will tell you better because she had like 2 girls, one on the left, another one on the right. So yeah, she can tell you better about it.
Who is your favorite actor?
Actor in
Right
terms
now,
of-
right now.
Where? In Bollywood, Tollywood, wherever?
That's your wish. Firstly, you can tell in Tollywood.
In Tollywood, I like mostly all the actors. I think they are amazingly talented. They are like amazingly good in terms of dancing, in terms of fighting, in terms of fan following. The craziness which people have for each and every actor here was like crazily good. But yeah, I think. There's no comparison to Chiranjeevi sir's the way he is so energetic. I've seen him. I'm seeing him from the past 3 years, ever since I'm in the industry. So the kind of energy level that Chiranjeevi sir has got is immensely inspiring, and he's a legend, I can say. So yeah, yes, always yes.
And in Bollywood,
Bollywood again, I like a lot of actors, but my favorite is Salman Khan. Not only because he's a great actor, like so much of fan following for him.
and that's a
but
great
also
human being.
He's a great human being. So I really admire that thing of about Salman Khan sir, that he really understands human emotions very beautifully, and there are people who understand it, but then they don't want to make an effort to think beyond their careers or their life and their family, and that's about it. But then you have a person who thinks beyond, and now when I'm getting to know that he has done so much for even Kerala floods and everything, is like amazingly great. It's like wow.
Do you meet him?
Yes, I've done an ad with him.
Oh, sorry. I seriously forgot that. Which ad is that?
That was for Suzuki. Yes, so he was. That was my initial time in career, and so was shooting for his movie Jai Ho.
Jai Ho.
Yes, so that was the time I'd not even like ever seen like Hyderabad. So, but then we flew all the way. Like there were like 70 people who flew just because Salman sir was shooting here at RFC. So that's the time I met him, and I generally don't take pictures at all with any, with celebrities or something until I've worked with them. So I was so excited to work with him. So I was like, "Excuse me, sir, so can I take one picture with you?" And he said, "Surely, baby." So at that time I was like, this was that which baby? It was like Chota Bachcha wala baby, because I was playing a teenage girl in that. So probably it was. I was like, okay. I was like, okay then, because he said, "Surely, baby." I was like, okay. So that's how I clicked a picture with him, and it was a lifetime. It's going to be a lifetime memory. So yes.
Your hobbies.
Well, I told you already. It's like but yeah, I'll just say it again for the audience. It's like extracurricular activities still remain my priority. So I love doing painting. So nowadays I have this sketchbook which I just got from US. I specifically bought it because it has already got images made. So when in your free time you just while away, like were you thinking about something stupid or something weird. So I just take out my Staedtlers, my pencil colors which they say, and I start mixing the colors. Oh, this will look good with that color. So it gives me a lot of joy to do that. And apart from that, yes, I'm resuming my dance classes whenever I'm free. So life is still the same as it was when I was modeling. So when I'm free, I just go for my dance class and try to learn something new. So nowadays I'm trying to learn a lot of footwork. So that's about it.
In one word, I will tell you about you one thing. Modeling, singer, dancer, so actress. So lot of చాలా ఉన్నాయి కదా. సో సింగింగ్ ఒక్కసారి అంటే మీరు చాలా మంచిగా పాడతారు, రైట్?
You want me to sing,
Sing, yes,
right?
yes.
Oh God, early
No problem.
morning, early morning.
Yeah, no problem. Yeah,
Oh.
just few words, no, few lines.
Which song? I can sing
In Bollywood
my,
or else Tollywood.
I can
in
sing
any mood.
my Hindi film song probably. I'll try. It's an early morning, guys, for us. I don't know when are you watching the interview, but I'll just try to sing. ऐसा लगा मुझे पहली दफा तन्हा पे हो गई आराम ऐसा लगा मुझे पहली दफा तन्हा मैं हो गई यारा हूँ परेशान सी मैं अब ये कहने के लिए तू जरूरी सा है मुझको जिंदा रहने के लिए. Thank you.
Fantastic.
It's
Seriously,
early
yeah,
morning,
such a beautiful
so
voice you have, but
I feel I should go for a second take. It will look better. But then thank you so much. Thanks.
obviously,
It was
always,
unexpected.
always. So in Tollywood,
Yes.
సో ఇన్ని మూవీస్ చేశారు కదా, టాలీవుడ్ నుంచి ఒక్క సాంగ్, జస్ట్ ఓన్లీ వన్ సాంగ్, ఆర్ ఇస్
Okay,
జక్కన్న
I can-
తిక్క.
I can sing from Rogue because there I was playing a singer. I don't remember the exact lyrics, but I'll
నో
try.
ప్రాబ్లం, యూ కెన్ కంటిన్యూ విత్ ద ట్యూన్.
Okay, which one? Okay, there was this in between. There was this Mukhra. I'll try and sing that. Gama pa ma ga ma ga re sa ni dha ni sa ga ma dha ma dha ni dha ni sa. आजा सनम हाय आजा सनम नी కోసం నే ఎదురు చూస్తున్నా ఆజా సనम हाय ఆజా సనम. That's it.
వావ్, ఇంకా చాలా పాడించుకోవాలి నాకు, ఇంకా చాలా ఉంది. సో వీ హ్యావ్ నో టైమ్. సో అపార్ట్ ఆఫ్ దట్, and who is your favorite music director?
Music director in Tollywood, I would say I've worked with like 3 music directors, and they all have given like amazingly great tunes. May it be Anup Rubin sir or Taman sir, so or Manish Sharma sir. So yeah, and I hope that one day in South I happen to, you know, get to work with DSP sir or A.R. Rahman sir. So that'll be again a selfie moment for me because I'll be like working with them and they'll be giving music for my film. So yeah.
And have you ever stolen money, but for chocolates, but not for ice cream?
Oh, don't even ask about it. So many
So many
times. And that too out of my sister's piggy bank because my piggy bank will always be empty. Give me the money I'll spend even today right now. So I still bank upon my sister. Like I want money, and I never have cash in my wallet. It's just a card centric. So someone will right now say, "Do you have cash? Can you give me $100?" I'll be like, okay, let me check what's in my wallet. So always, even till date, I have to like really bank upon my sister for that.
And what was the Manara do when she is happy?
What is the?
What was the Manara do?
What I do? Well, I think when I'm happy, I'm always like probably dancing a lot. So every day of my life, I feel should not get wasted. So whenever I'm free, I go for my dance class and I live my happy moments there. I live my sad moments there, and then I also learn. So yeah.
So obviously you can tell, right now you are saying that there is lot of sad moments.
Yeah.
So can you share one thing, sad moments?
Sad moments is majorly to me. I'm a very family oriented person. I need my family around. So when probably I'm staying alone, whether even if it's in my house at Bombay because I stay by myself, or even if it's about staying at hotel, I feel I probably get a little low dip. So that's probably my sad moment. So but I'm lucky. I have my dance classes at Hyderabad going on, Bombay going on, Delhi also going on. So wherever I just go there. That's about it.
What was your favorite holiday trip?
My favorite holiday was when I went to Rome. Yes, Rome was.
How many times you visited there?
I have just been there once, but yes, I have almost like literally traveled more than half of the world. But I still feel there's a connect to Rome because of the architecture, the craftsmanships they have. So because I told you I'm little artistic kind of person, so I really relate to it. I really liked. I would love to travel there again. So yeah.
So apart of your personal life, coming to the movies, So at which age you started your career?
So I started my career at when I was in 2014. I started. Yes. So 2015 exactly, you can say, because 2014 December my film released, my Hindi film, and after that there'd be no looking back. There was like back to back. I'm touch wood doing good, and now I'm doing a Tamil film, and which is again a big film. So chala happy ga undi.
And what was the first date మీరు సెట్లోకి ఎంటర్ అయినప్పుడు కెమెరాని ఫేస్ చేసినప్పుడు? Do you remember that date?
Date I don't remember, because I think I've always seen camera right from the beginning, because when my sister became Miss India, Miss World, so I told you I'm from Delhi, so she used to travel a lot to Delhi. So I've seen her doing interviews, I've attended her shows, so there was not like the first time, you know, that I was seeing the camera. So camera I know from long, just that I got introduced through an ads or something to it.
So basically you were a model.
Yeah, I started doing modeling. I did like 35 ads, so which includes ads with Farhan Akhtar and Salman sir. I did 3 ads with Priyanka, and worked with some directors, like beautiful directors like Imtiaz Ali sir, Rohan Sippy sir, Habib Faisal sir. So I've been lucky that way.
So basically you worked in 4 or 5 films, right?
Yeah.
So your first film
So my first was the Hindi film Zid.
in Tollywood.
In Tollywood, I did a film with Sai Dharam Tej by the name of Tikka. Then I did Jakanna, and then I did Puri Sir's Rogue. So yeah, which even marked my Kannada debut.
Okay, good. So how was it working with Tikka hero Sai Dharam Tej?
It was lovely. It was like really nice an experience, because it was my first time in South. So I used to be like this quiet child on set. But then, yeah, I really enjoyed my Malaysia schedule then, because I got to interact with like so many artists there. But yeah, Sai Dharam Tej is a very talented person, and I look forward to work with him again.
Wow, good. And Puri sir, Rogue.
Puri sir, of course, like very talented person again, very creative. So creatively chala baga undi, and I hope that, you know, sir does a lot of amazingly good films, and I so look forward to work with sir again too.
అంటే ఎలా ఉండేవారు సెట్లో పూరి సార్?
Puri sir is all about, you know, his total concentration is on the work, and when he's free in between, he'll probably swipe his phone and sip a black coffee. So that's Puri sir on set. And yeah, a lot of conversation, a lot of nice conversation, because of course he's again a very creative person. So yeah, a lot of fun conversations also, and a lot of he has got immense knowledge about everything, not only about films, what is happening in the world. And so yeah, you really, anyone, you know, a youngster would love interacting with Puri sir. You'll never feel that, oh, he's like, you know, such a big director, and he's not someone who's like, you know, you are here and he's a very chilled out person. So yeah.
అండ్ జక్కన్న సునీల్తో వర్కింగ్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్?
It was very nice again. I learned a lot about comedy timing and everything. And then when we shot in Dubai, that was the best time, because we were shooting for the songs. And Sir helped me a lot. And yeah, I mean, the songs are such a big hit. So whenever I go, I think even more than Rogue songs, they speak about Jakanna songs. So yeah, thank you to RPA Creations for such a lovely hit tracks.
అండ్ ప్రెసెంట్ మీరు ఏం ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ చేస్తున్నారు?
Presently I'm working in Tamil, and I'm working on a Hindi project, and I so look forward to have the release for both of them as early as possible. So that's about it.
సో ఇంకా చాలా అడగాలని, బట్ యూ హ్యావ్ నో టైమ్, షూట్ టైం అయిపోతుంది. సో అండ్ రియలీ థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. ఇట్ వాస్ ప్లెజర్ అండ్ నైస్ టాకింగ్ టు యూ.
Yes.
So thank
So
you.
next time we're going to have a longer interview, because right now I have my flight to leave to Delhi.
Promise?
Sorry?
Promise?
Promise, 100%. 100%. I'll practice more songs when I come there.
Obviously.
Thank you, thanks. I really enjoyed the interview with you, and thank you to all the viewers of your channel.
Thank you so much.
Hi friends, this is your Manara Chopra. So for more entertainment updates, subscribe to Myra Media.
Please do subscribe Myra Media.
Please subscribe Myra Media.
Please like, share and subscribe to Myra Media.
For more interesting updates, please subscribe to Myra Media YouTube channel.